Imagine yourself in this 2006 Ford Explorer XLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passenger vanity mirror, traction control, stability control, passenger illuminated visor mirror, driver illuminated vanity mirror, leather steering wheel, rear bench seat, and power outlet. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.